Welcome to our channel kids, let's learn together. Let's learn alphabet from A to Z. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for onion. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watch. X for xylophone.